Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro and Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Now let's scroll down to find users and accounts. Here we've got the section where we've got our added accounts, and I've got Google. So first of all, let me show you how to remove it. So just tap on the app and then tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, confirm it, and of course we have to confirm everything with our screen lock. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. If you wish to add the account, nothing easier, just tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this and the previous operation. I forgot to mention that, sorry. And here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the option to use biometrics to verify purchases. It's completely up to you, so just tap on accept. And here backup, you can either manage the backup right now or don't backup at all. It's completely up to you. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.